everybody, this your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm out here at Euro Empire, and I'm going to be putting my car on a dyno. I'm going to be getting the baseline, and I'm also going to be tuning my car to the GTS tune, so we can really see the difference between the bass and the GTS tune to see how much power that my car's going to make. And the tune that I'm going to be using, as y'all can hear right there, dyno's going. Alright, so to get that GTS tune, I'm going to be using Bootmod3 today, and I'm going to be using the Wi-Fi agent and tuning on my phone. So I'm going to be going through all that process today as well, and we're going to see exactly what kind of numbers we're making. Now today I'm not expecting to make real big numbers for two reasons. One, it's really hot here today, really humid. We had a couple cars already on the dyno. Everybody's making a little bit lower numbers than they usually make, and that's truly because of the heat, and it's real humid today. So I'm not expecting big numbers. I just want to get a good baseline run and kind of see what the GTS tune is all about. All right, so we can go ahead and do that and get to it. All right, so now we're in my car, so just want to kind of show you the tools you'll need in order to use your phone. Of course, first you'll need your phone. So whatever phone you have, I have a iPhone here, so I'm gonna be using that. And then you'll need an Ethernet cable, which is what you see right here. Definitely gonna need one of these Ethernet cables. And then you'll also need an Wi-Fi agent here. So I got both of these items from Eric Grand Tour, who I've had on my channel a couple times. He had Bootmod on his 335, but he's now using a Wedge Performance custom tune, so he no longer needed this. So we got the license transferred to me. So that's where I got this information, these products from. But I will link them down below in the description, so you can kind of pick up some for yourself if you are interested in picking those items up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug up the Ethernet cable to the OBD port, and then we're gonna hook that to the Wi-Fi agent. And then the Wi-Fi agent has a USB cord that's actually going to plug right into your USB port in your car, and then we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and start that process. All right, so your Ethernet cable is going to go right underneath here, right underneath your driver's side area right here, right beside your trunk release. It'll plug right into here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that up now. All right, so my OBD is plugged right into a spot right underneath here, and now I have the Ethernet RJ45 sticking out right here. So now I'm going to plug this right into the Wi-Fi agent. So the Wi-Fi agent has a RJ45 connection piece right here, so this plugs right into there, just like so. So now we're going to take this USB plug right here, and then we're going to plug it right into here. So we'll plug that right there. All right. So now this part is done. So now let's go ahead and set the phone up, because there's certain particular things you got to do on your phone in order for the Wi-Fi agent to connect to your phone. So let me show you what that is. All right, everyone, so now what I'm going to do, I got the Ethernet cable hooked up, I got the wireless module hooked up. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you what you got to do on your phone. So what you need to do first, before your Wi-Fi agent can connect to your Bootmod app, you need to change the name of your phone and your hotspot connection. So once you get into your phone, get into your iPhone, go into your settings, you'll go down to General, you'll go to About, and then once you go to About, you need to change the name of your phone. So the name of your phone needs to be Bootmod3. So BOOTMOD3. Then you'll need to go to your personal hotspot. In your personal hotspot, you need to change your Wi-Fi password to Bootmod. So BOOTMOD3. Once you do that, you should be able to connect to the Wi-Fi agent. Now it may take 30 to 60 seconds. I've been sitting in the car for a little while, so it should connect. So now let's go ahead and go into the Bootmod app. So let's go ahead and go down to my maps. All right, it's got my stock tune. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go down to OTS maps, and then we're gonna do the GTS tune. So we got the M4 GTS, so we'll click on that, and it says get tune, so I'm gonna click there. Are you sure you want to acquire the stage 0 M4 GTS map? Yes, I do. So it says adding the map under my maps, please wait. Then it says acquired successfully. You can now find it under my maps. Proceed to flash. So I hit OK. All right. So then I'll click on the 0 M4 GTS map, and then let's go to config. So once you go to config, this is where you do your burbles and everything like that. So we got exhaust burble. I'm going to go that to, let's leave it OTM. Let's leave it OEM. Choosing OEM will set this map up for your particular vehicle OEM settings. For instance, if your vehicle didn't have any burbles on the factory setting, using this will keep the behavior. So let's actually do original. Let's see. Choosing original uses this particular map's original values. If this map is a custom tune, then it will use the settings from inside this map, which are the custom tunes configured. If this is an OTS map, it will use the map's original OTS values. If it's a stock tune, then it will use the stock map values. So let's actually do, let's do the OTS. So whatever the M4 burbles are, that's what we're gonna put on here. They got the GTS Startup War. Let's turn it on. Actually, let's do original. Since this is the GTS tune, we'll just do it original, so it matches the original OTS map. Max cooling mode, we're gonna leave that off, which is OEM. We're not gonna do the cold start, not gonna do any T maps, any exhaust flap and sport. I mean, we'll do OEM. So we'll do OEM. VMAX, we're gonna turn off the speed limiter. Boost by gear reduction, we're not gonna do anything with that. And then we'll save the changes. Are you sure you want to save these changes? Yes. Map configuration saved. Cool. All right. So now let's go ahead and flash the GTS tune. So go there. This is an OTS map. There are no updates. I'll make sure everything's turned off. I'm actually going to turn off my screen as well. Make sure everything in my car is turned off. It's going to get real hot in here. So now let's go ahead and do the flash. Press here to flash now. All right, make sure your seatbelt's on. I got everything turned off in my car. And let's go ahead and flash. Then it says OBD agent seems to be outdated and needs an update. All right, so as I just learned, make sure you download your OBD agent's latest software, the firmware. Mine need to be updated. So as you can kind of see here, you go to your OBD agent, you'll click download update, and then it will update your agent to make sure you have the most updated software and firmware. So definitely want to do that before you tune, because otherwise it won't let you tune. So we're doing that right now. Update completed. Boom. So now we are updated. So now let's go ahead and go back to my maps. Let's go back to the map we just customized, GTS map, and then hit flash. Click here to flash now. Seatbelts on, everything's off, and hit flash. All right, downloading the map from the servers. Please wait. Put this on my mount, and let's see how long this takes. All right, so as you can see there, it does say success. It says the stage 0 M4 GTS map has flashed successfully. Please wait 5 seconds and then start the car. So I'm gonna hit OK. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I can definitely hear the GTS Startup War is a little different. You do have the check engine light there, but I heard you got to cut it off and then cut the car back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make sure check engine light is off, and we are good to go. So now what I'm going to do is take the car around the block a little bit just so I can test the power out, and then we're going to try to go and get it on the dyno. So let's do it. All right, y'all. So sorry for the different camera angle. I forgot my actual camera mount at the house, so I'm gonna have to use my iPhone mounted on my Renline mount. But this is to show you kind of what the Renline mount looks inside your car. So I got everything in Sport Plus, M Dynamic. So we'll go ahead and just take it around the block and see what this GTS tune looks like. So let's go ahead and give it the beans, give it some juice, and see what this thing's all about. Oh shoot! Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Hey man, this GTS tune get up and go, man. I gotta turn around up here because this road is closed, but yeah, man. I know. It got mild burbles. It's got really mild burbles, which I don't mind. So let me turn around here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around here. I would say first impressions, yeah, man, the GTS tune, you know, it's a difference. So we'll definitely get on the dyno, probably do 2 passes with the stock power. And then after we do 2 passes with the stock power, definitely then to the tune on, then probably do 2 passes with the power there. So
I told you it was gonna go 400. What do? Did it 400? 401?
400, 430.
I bet if we did it like 2 or 3 more times, we'd get it up to like 410, 415 on today.
Yeah. I'm cool with that. I know, right? $442, $483. Shit. And that's just the GTS tune. That's not even stage 1.
Yeah, more than the GTS did.
For real?
Yeah. The GTS made like 433.
Oh wow.
Would you run?
440, 478 with just the GTS tune. It's not even stage 1.
Hell yeah, man.
That's crazy. Oh yeah. With that car, dropped a little bit more, but. All right, everyone. So I just got finished dyno on my car on the Bootmod GTS tune, and I was able to put down a best of 440 horse and 478 pound-feet of torque. I think that is a lot of power coming from just a regular old GTS tune. I mean, I was surprised. I ain't gonna lie. I was surprised that it put the power. I wasn't really surprised about the horsepower put down, but the torque, I was really surprised about the torque that it was able to put down. Sorry, it's really hot out here, but not really hot. It's humid. This humidity is killer. But we also had a GTS that was in the shop a little earlier, and I was able to put down more power than him. I'm posting that graph right now so y'all can see it. But I was able to put down, horsepower was pretty much the same, but the torque difference was super different. I know Bootmod, this is their GTS tune, but compared to that GTS that was on the dyno today, man, you know what I mean? As y'all see in this graph, it's a little bit of a difference, man. So I'm very happy with the results right now with the GTS tune from Bootmod. And like I said, not even stage 1 yet. So we're going to see what power we can get up to in my M4, man. But so I appreciate y'all watching, man. Please like, subscribe. We're bringing more and more content for the M4, man. So if y'all want to see that, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell, all right? So that's all I have for y'all today. Appreciate it. Special shout out to Euro Empire. Definitely, man. If y'all in the Charlotte area, man, this is the dyno to go to, man, for real. So that's all I got for y'all today, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.